Hello guys, we are testing if the Coke and Mentos experiment is real or not. So I'm going to get 3 Mentos. Right, you guys can step back.
It shouldn't be that big, George.
Oh!
Stop.
Oh!
Oh,
That's crazy.
crazy. Tommy, do not go near that.
That's Ronnie.
No, Ronnie.
Should I drink that?
I love the fizz. That looks like beer. Put another one in, George.
Okay, Jude.
I think once it's already done.
I need my
Can't do
supply.
it anymore.
I need my supply, man.
We'll try it again now.
I'll put another 2 in. Bloop and bloop.
Yeah, Jude's right.
Yep. Okay, guys, that is all for today's video. The experiment does work. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make it get about 5,000 views, because that's what one of my videos did. Also, thank you for that.